Hey everyone. Welcome to Top Tech News. This is your news channel for getting updated with the latest tech news headlines and their impact on business and our lives. To read the full news article for any of the news that we cover, simply click on its link given below in the description. To stay updated, show us some love and hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. This way you would be informed whenever we upload a new video. Hi, my name is Dee and I am your host for today. Today's top headlines are: Samsung Galaxy A52 4G and 5G's full specs, design and price revealed in a massive leak. The Samsung Galaxy A12 prices for India leak will start from 12,999 Indian rupees. Oppo patents a smartphone with a selfie camera sliding sideways. Apple could announce AirTags, mini LED iPad Pro and AirPods 3 in March. The OnePlus 9 Pro will have an LTPO display, claims leakster. Let's get started. Samsung Galaxy A52 4G and 5G's full specs, design and price revealed in a massive leak. We've been hearing about the Samsung Galaxy A52 4G and Galaxy A52 5G for quite some time now, and while there's still no official word from Samsung about these smartphones yet, the steady stream of leaks over the past months have given us a fair idea of what to expect from these phones. However, the latest leak by German blog WinFuture leaves little to the imagination as it details the specs of the Galaxy A52 4G and 5G while revealing their prices and sharing new renders. The Galaxy A52 4G and 5G were spotted on Geekbench with Snapdragon 720G and Snapdragon 750G, respectively. The publication corroborates that bit and claims both smartphones will run Android 11 with One UI out of the box and have two memory options depending on the market: 6GB with 128GB and 8GB with 256GB. Both 4G and 5G models will also come with a microSD card slot for storage expansion. The source says that Galaxy A52 4G and 5G are identical with differences in chipset and connectivity. That means both versions of the Galaxy A52 will come with a 6.5 inches Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen with a fingerprint reader underneath and a punch hole in the center for the 32MP selfie camera. A previous leak claimed the A52 4G will come with a 90Hz panel, while its 5G counterpart will go all the way up to 120Hz. The rear panels of the A52 4G and 5G, which will come in 4 colors, will house quad camera setups comprising a 64MP primary, 8MP ultra-wide, 5MP, likely macro, and 2MP, likely depth, units. This contradicts previous leaks, which claimed the smartphones will feature two 5MP cameras, with the 4G variant having a 12MP shooter on board instead of 8MP. Fueling both Galaxy A52 versions will be 4,500 mAh batteries that will draw power through USB-C ports at up to 25 watts, but 3C and FCC revealed the 5G model will ship with a 15 watts adapter. The rest of the features of the A52 Duo include a 3.5mm headphone jack, Bluetooth 5.x, NFC, dual SIM support, and IP67 rating. The source claims that Galaxy A52 4G will be priced at €349 in some European countries, while the A52 5G will cost €429. The Samsung Galaxy A12 prices for India leak will start from 12,999 Indian rupees. In another Samsung news, it is expected to bring the Galaxy A12 to India any moment now, as multiple sources and leaks reveal the launch is just around the corner. Previously, we've heard that the Asian country will get only 2 memory combinations, and today we have the info on how much each of them will cost. According to a source, the Samsung Galaxy A12 with 4GB RAM and 64GB of storage will be 12,999 Indian rupees, which is about $178 or €150. The second option is 4GB RAM and 128GB of storage and will retail for 13,999 Indian rupees, about $190 or €160. The Galaxy A12 has 2 more memory versions, 3GB RAM with 32GB storage and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, but Samsung has decided to reserve them for other markets. The current source does not say which colors will be available in India. The phone comes with an Helio P35 chipset, a 6.5 LCD with HD Plus resolution, and a relatively powerful 5,000 mAh battery. The affordable handset comes with a USB-C port and 15 watts charging support. Oppo patents a smartphone with a selfie camera sliding sideways. Oppo is no stranger to moving cameras on its phones, from the N1 all the way back in 2013 to the Find X slider and the Reno 10X Zoom with its shark fin. But despite sticking to more conventional designs for the past 2 years, it's still considering some interesting ideas. Thanks to a dig by Let's Go Digital, we know the Chinese company has patented a sideways sliding selfie camera that goes from one end of the top bezel to the other. The patent, filed with the World Intellectual Property Organization, is 33 pages long, detailing how this would work. The idea behind the sliding camera is to capture images from different angles, and that would be done if the camera sensor is mounted on a guide block, going from one end to another on a rail. There will be a tiny motor that does the job, and the movement will occur only when the selfie camera is activated through the dedicated app. Taking selfies from an angle might be another artistic way to do frontal photography, but we believe this camera will be able to recreate 3D images of the user's head without actually moving the device. Other applications for this technology could be improved portrait mode or panorama group photos. Apple could announce AirTags, mini LED iPad Pro and AirPods 3 in March. According to different industry insiders, Apple could unveil no less than 3 new devices in March. John Prosser has reiterated that AirTags, Apple's Tile Tracker and Galaxy Smart Tag rival, is coming out in March. He also says the next iPad Pro is viable for a March unveil. It's important to note that Prosser has had a mixed track paracord regarding AirTags, predicting they would be coming at Apple's October M1 event. The iPad Pro is expected to share the design of its predecessor and add a more powerful variant of the A14 chipset. Sources indicate that the 12.9-inch iPad Pro will get the new mini LED technology first. There is no word on the iPad Pro 11-inch though yet. Finally, leaks Apple Pro adds that Apple will also unveil the AirPods 3 in March. We know very little about the AirPods 3 at this point, but they could launch with an AirPods Pro design, but without ANC they could even be 20% cheaper than the current AirPods Pro at around $200. The OnePlus 9 Pro will have an LTPO display, claims Leakster. From previous leaks we know that the OnePlus 9 Pro will have a 6.78 1440p plus display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hands-on photos of the phone even showed the mode selection screen, which allows you to pick the resolution and refresh rate. But it turns out this isn't everything there is to know about the 9 Pro screen. Leakster Max J hints that the display will use an LTPO panel. You should have heard about LTPO by now. Samsung used it on the Note 20 Ultra and S21 Ultra. Apple is expected to use LTPO displays on the iPhone 13 Pro models. The technology was originally developed by Apple for use on its watches as it draws less power than the LTPS panels that are prevalent today. It also simplifies the requirements for adaptive refresh rate. As for the rest of the OnePlus 9 Pro, the rumored specs include a Snapdragon 888 chipset, 4500 mAh battery with 65 watts and 45 watts wireless charging with an inbox charger and upgraded cameras but no periscope. Well, that's about it for today. Hope you found it helpful. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. And do show us some love by clicking on the thumbs up button. Have a wonderful day everyone, and we will be back again soon.